Behold, the fortress of Korrangar.
It's a fucking big rock with a hole in it, okay? It's mostly rats who live in places like that.
I'll drop you in a safe place.
I'm thinking maybe a balcony.
Then, you sneak into the customs office and exchange the incoming flight schedule with this one.
And a special amber storeroom.
When you've got everything, loosen the balloon near the doors. That will be the signal.
Definitely a king-size bed.
When I'm inside, bring me an official pass. Otherwise, they'll never let me into Korrangar.
A fully equipped laboratory.
What in the name of the gods are you talking about?
Well, all that stuff you're asking for is gonna cost you a chunk of change, so... I was just thinking about the new hideout I'm gonna buy with it. I'll send the bill to the Carnage Squad, right?
Fine, send it then.
Korrangar. Even uglier than I thought it would be. I thought it was gonna be fucking awful. Good. That huge door back there, that's gotta be the one that Haledrin's airship needs to get through. Off we go. Shouldn't be all that complicated to get inside. Those dumbasses left a window open. How nice of them. I just have to add the giant bitch's vessel to the official register of merchant airships. Then I gotta find her a pass.
Purify our hearts and our pain, atone for our misdeeds. Do not allow our hands to tremble as we slay our foes. Our bodies, our hearts, our hands are yours. Glory to List. Glory to List. Glory to List. Now it's written down in black and white. Yes,
Ledrin's airship is now on the guest list. I'll never get used to that. All this paperwork. I'm gonna find a pass anywhere. It's probably in here. I'm gonna have to rummage through it. And one official pass for her too high ass. Yeah!
Was seen a few days ago inside the town walls.
Leouch! It is a stain, an insult to this...
She should have finished. She held the captain. You better watch out if he crosses our path, because we'll blame him if we're delivering it to the carrier of light.
Perhaps he is already...
Thank you, Styx. My airship can now more unhindered.
Okay, we'll meet up on the other side. Perfect. Now Haledrin can do whatever the hell she wants. Let's take this opportunity to visit beautiful Korrangar and find that shape-shifting bastard.
We have just slain 3 goblin scum with this beauty. With this, Jarak won't even have the time to shapeshift an ear. Fortunately, Lisserl banished him. A bolt between the eyes.
As if the elves weren't already enough of a pain with their pointy little swords. But now at least I got the name of that bastard. Jarak. Jarak. Name sounds like someone hawking up a big one. Like that special moment when you manage to cough up some really troublesome phlegm. Now I gotta find Haledrin's airship somewhere in this maze.
Is our High Priestess Lisserl already in place at the ceremony of the glorious blood?
Not yet. The chosen and those invited to attend have already taken their place and are in contemplation.
Are you also on duty during the ceremony?
Yes. These strangers upset the tranquility of our city. The number of watchers has been doubled.
No task is unworthy of a Castus. Fulfill your mission with reverence.
That balcony looks like the only quiet way into that part of the city.
You will have but this one opportunity in your whole life to prove your worth. The victor will gain his place within the great cycle and receive the greatest reward and the greatest honor. Be honored. Be honored.
They worship some strange woman, live underground, and eat shit. Ooh, where do I sign up? Well, I guess that's what you get from too much inbreeding. That's right, boys. Fight it out between yourselves. Almost there. Shit. Now what?
The time to honor our hero has come. But first, the vanquished must make his offering.
That's gonna leave a mark.
Lakima!
What the? Uh-oh, get the hell away from me.
He has entered the pantheon of heroes and is part of the great whole. The cycle is unceasing, and his soul has now become immortal!
Is there a problem, Your Holiness?
No, not for the moment.
Let's see where we can moor the big gal's airship.
Castasiel, have you received your amber today?
Of course, at dawn. The other day we saw a Castasiel who refused the sacred amber. He was
His
taken to
soul has
prison.
become immortal. We were starting a new cycle. His body was shapeless,
Israel's honor
He spoke like someone of a vulgar and selfish race.
in us all.
It became difficult to combat was memorable. Fortunately,
They
Lisra
are
healed
the race.
guts feed Robies, so now he goes in peace.
Some dissidents still refuse to receive amber, even though it allows us to be one. Glory to Lisrel, who each day offers us the sacred amber in order to restore our race to its former glory.
Castasiel, proud people, come!
Haledrin could have warned me that this place was full of fucking degenerates.